1050 on that building here, Super Bridge 19. Copy of Pennsylvania 28. You alright, Lou?
I'm just shaking up because I think there's still sitting down there.
Is that him down there?
Yeah.
That was him down there.
What's the deal with him? Do we
I
know?
don't know. He was parked down there side of that road. And we went down there, turned around and come back. And when we come back, he turned around and went the other way.
Okay.
And he just turned around and coming back this way.
See, now he's turning around again.
Let me get down there. Y'all hang out here. I'll be back. I'll be 1050 on that building here, Super Bridge 19. Copy of Pennsylvania 28. How y'all doing? I'm good. Hey, Deputy or Sergeant Thickman with the Sheriff's Office. Okay.
What's the badge number?
What's that?
What's your ID number?
332. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Why did you pull over? I don't know. Why you pulled over?
The lady said y'all were taking a picture of her. I was just making sure everything.
The law?
No, sir. No, not at all.
Why did you pull us over? You've actually broke the law pulling us over. We haven't broken the law.
I'm just conducting an investigation,
no, there's no
sir.
investigation unless we had a crime committed. You
Hey.
haven't committed a crime, but you just turned your red lights on.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Are you allowed to get
Yes, sir. We can cut across those.
Regular?
Well, yes, sir. I come up here to make contact with y'all. I mean,
No, coming from that direction, coming this way. That lady in that car, whoever it was, man, woman, turned
Yes, sir.
into that turning lane, came towards us. We were parked on the side of the road, taking pictures. She
Okay.
came towards us in the oncoming traffic.
okay.
On video.
Well, see, I wouldn't have known that if I had. Yes,
But
sir.
either way, you pulled us over without a reason.
Right. What I'm saying is, I wouldn't have known that if I hadn't come and made contact with you.
Listen, you don't get to just make contact because you feel like it. You don't just get to pick up the blue lights on because you feel like it. You have to have broken the law. That's the disconnect between you and me right now.
Sir, how would I gotten you to
don't
stop?
get to pull people over unless they break the
What
law,
I'm asking
sir.
you is, how would I have gotten you to stop?
What reason do you have us to stop?
If I needed to make contact
For what
with you.
legal reason? What law would we break?
Listen, you're in public.
Once you carry back to 8, Tango 6-8, Bravo.
Okay. That's all y'all got to tell me.
I need to
That's
file
all
a
I needed to know.
I need to file a complaint against you because you don't get to just ride around pulling people over because
Sir, that's all I needed to know.
You don't need to know that. You don't need to know a damn thing. This is fucked up. That's the fucking problem, because you guys think you just get behind the motherfucker and pull him the fuck over for no fucking reason.
Sir, I didn't know what was going on.
No, you violated our rights by pulling us over without us breaking the law. You have no right to.
Sir, I didn't know what was going on.
It's still, don't you understand? You have a badge. You have a duty to bust people. You don't have a right to pull people over that haven't broken the law. How do you not get that?
Sir, have I asked you for ID? Have I wrote you a ticket?
No
have I done anything like that? How would I have got
an ID from
Sir,
you don't even get to ask.
Okay.
It ain't part of your job.
I already know who y'all are anyway.
It don't matter who we are. My point is, you think you can just drive around and pull people over for no reason.
For taking
you
a
really
picture
believe
of somebody
that?
in public. For taking a picture of somebody in public. What you should have done was you should have addressed her, not us.
I asked her what was going on. She said somebody in a gold truck had took a picture of it.
So what?
I said, I'll go make contact and see what's going on, make sure everything's okay.
Wait a minute. You have a right to pull somebody over because somebody said that they took a picture of them in public. You believe that in your mind.
Well, y'all have a great day, okay?
You too.
I'll have a great day when I file my complaint for you pulling us over illegally, man. You just don't get to pull people over because you fucking feel like it. That's bullshit, man.
I'm Sergeant
You know it,
Thigpen with
and
the
I
Sheriff's
fucking know
Office.
it. No, I already know I'm the one who fucking told get the hell out of here. Boy, get your ass off the steps, remember, in the fucking courthouse down
I
here?
didn't tell you that, sir.
No, your sheriff said that to me. I'm that
I've
guy.
never talked to you, sir.
I'm the guy that you're a sheriff. Let me say it in English this time so you can understand.
That's you, sir. You can say whatever you want.
It don't matter.
That's
You don't
fine.
get to just fucking pull people over for no reason, dude.
Okay.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Y'all have a
man?
great day, sir.
Don't you know your job?
Y'all have a great day, okay?
Get back in your car. What you need to do, you should have never fucking came out here and fucked with us
Okay.
to start with.
Have a great day.
This is bullshit. You don't fucking...
Yeah, it's our resident person from Steenhatchee that likes to film us.
Yeah,
22 to 14, I'm 51 to you.
Nah, I'm 2-4. Just wanted to make contact, see what was going on.
10 to 4. One 60 Barry. Can we take 2949s on Michael Sparrow right now?
Yeah, he's just taking a photo. He's not breaking any laws.
Right.
There ain't nothing in the world I can do about it. He said somebody that she cut him off on the highway, but I don't think that ever happened.
No. She come in.
He's what he does is he tries to provoke us. He's that kind of. Y'all ever watch Facebook and what's his name? Poor Dirt Farmer. Y'all heard of him? That's who that is.
Really?
So and he's just out to provoke us. That's all.
On this road.
He's just looking for us to come out and make contact with him and do something we probably shouldn't do. Try to get somebody.
You don't need to be messing around down in yonder.
Well, as long as he's just riding around his vehicle and he's not, there ain't nothing I can do about it.
Okay.
No, sir. But, can I help you?
That's my wife.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll explain it to you in a second.
I just come all the way from Peterson Landing.
That's, you ever heard of the Poor Dirt Farmer on Facebook that films people? That's who he is. I don't know his real name. But he hasn't broken any laws and he can ride and take pictures all he wants.
He can video.
He can video. Anybody can ride by and video and take pictures. And there's no law against that.
He need to keep his
That's like filming us in public. Anybody can do that too.
I mean, that's really scary. I mean, what's going on in these
Yes,
time of
ma'am.
days, you just don't know
Especially a
what.
woman by herself.
I mean,
I'm not going to talk bad about the man, but I believe what he tries to do is provoke us into doing something illegal.
I mean,
All right, well, you holler if you need us, darling.
All right.
Run his ass out the county.
Well, Anyhow, that's what's going on. So.
So it's like that. They just trying to get publicity. All it is.
Pretty much. Yep.
I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you. If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give peace a chance. Let the fear you have fall away.